Clocked him in the head pretty good. There's a lot of blood on that side.
Yeah. Got a good little beard on him.
Nice.
Some hooks look like.
Good spurs.
Oh yeah.
Not bad.
Nice bird, man. Heck yeah.
Sweet.
Heck yeah, Bubba. Congrats, man.
Appreciate it.
Alright guys, brought my buddy Daryl out this morning, and birds weren't really talking a whole lot this morning. It rained all night last night. Eventually, about 6:30, we had this guy work in, and it took him a few minutes to get across the field. Wasn't strutting or anything. He had a group of jakes with him. Once he worked his way in, Daryl popped a shot, and we got a little nervous because he took off flying over the tree line over there, but it only took us about 10 minutes, and as you can see, we found him. He's a great bird. It's Daryl's first year turkey hunting ever, and obviously he was pretty successful. He got a bird down, and I think I was more excited than he was. I know you're pretty pumped, right?
Super pumped. Super pumped.
Heck yeah. Well, all right, guys. That's it for this one. It's hard, dude.
Yeah, it is.
It's awkward.
Super awkward.
Because you were doing good, but as soon as I turn that camera on, it's hard.